Good morning. Today we will be looking at the sound and some examples of this sound are thread, three, thumb, and thimble. Thank you for watching.